Cars have been a part of our lives for over a century, and with that comes a wealth of advice, tips and facts about how to maintain, drive and buy them. But not everything you've heard is true. In fact, some of the most common beliefs about cars are nothing more than myths, misconceptions passed down through generations or outdated ideas that no longer apply. In today's video, we're busting 10 automotive myths everyone believes but aren't true, helping you separate fact from fiction so you can drive smarter and save money. If you love uncovering the truth about cars, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more automotive insights. Let's dive in. 10. Premium fuel is always better for your car. One of the most persistent myths in the automotive world is that premium fuel is better for all cars. Many drivers believe that filling up with higher octane gasoline improves performance, increases mileage, and is better for the engine, even if their car doesn't require it. But the truth is, unless your vehicle specifically calls for premium fuel, you're wasting your money. Higher octane fuel is designed for high-performance engines that operate at higher compression ratios. If your car is built to run on regular gas, using premium won't provide any extra benefits. It won't clean your engine better, boost horsepower, or increase efficiency. Stick to the fuel recommended in your owner's manual and save yourself the extra cost. 9. Electric cars are slower than gas cars. When electric cars first hit the market, they were often criticized for being underpowered and slow. This misconception has persisted despite massive advancements in EV technology. Today, electric cars are among the fastest vehicles on the planet. Take the Tesla Model S Plaid, for example. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever made. Electric motors deliver instant torque, which means EVs can accelerate much faster than most traditional gas-powered cars. The myth of EVs being sluggish belongs firmly in the past. 8. Warming up your engine before driving is necessary. This myth dates back to older cars with carburetors, which needed time to warm up and operate efficiently. Modern vehicles, however, are equipped with fuel injection systems and advanced engine management software, eliminating the need for long warm-up times. In fact, idling your car for too long on a cold morning can waste fuel and even cause wear to engine components. The best way to warm up your car is to start driving gently. The engine will heat up faster under light loads, and you'll save time and gas. 7. Red cars get pulled over more often. There's a widespread belief that owning a red car makes you more likely to be stopped by the police. While it's a fun theory, there's no evidence to back it up. Studies show that speeding tickets are more about driving behavior than the color of your car. The myth likely stems from the fact that red is an eye-catching color, and people may associate it with sporty or aggressive driving. However, traffic stops are based on how you drive, not the paint job on your vehicle. So if you're following the rules of the road, you can drive a red car without fear of extra attention from law enforcement. 6. You need to change your oil every 3,000 miles. This is one of the oldest and most persistent automotive myths, but it's completely outdated. The 3,000-mile oil change recommendation was relevant decades ago when oil technology and engine designs were less advanced. Today, modern synthetic oils and engines allow for much longer intervals between oil changes. Many manufacturers now recommend oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on the car and driving conditions. Check your owner's manual for the correct interval and don't let old advice cost you unnecessary trips to the mechanic. 5. Manual transmission cars are always faster. There was a time when manual transmission cars were faster than their automatic counterparts, but advancements in automatic transmission technology have changed the game. Modern automatics, particularly dual clutch and CVT systems, can shift faster and more efficiently than even the best manual driver. For example, supercars like the Bugatti Chiron and McLaren 720S only come with automatic transmissions because they deliver superior performance. While manual transmissions offer a more engaging driving experience, they're no longer the go-to choice for speed. 4. All-wheel drive makes you invincible in snow. All-wheel drive, or AWD, is often marketed as a feature that can conquer any winter road condition, but it's not a magic solution. While AWD does improve traction when accelerating, it doesn't help with braking or cornering. In fact, overconfidence in AWD can lead to dangerous driving behaviors on icy or snowy roads. The true key to winter driving is good quality winter tires. These provide better grip in cold temperatures and on slippery surfaces than all-season tires, regardless of whether your car has AWD or not. So if you're tackling winter roads, invest in the right tires instead of relying solely on your drivetrain. 3. Bigger cars are always safer. It's easy to assume that bigger vehicles like SUVs and trucks are inherently safer than smaller cars, but the reality is more nuanced. Vehicle safety depends on a combination of factors, including design, safety features, and crash test ratings, not just size. Modern small cars are equipped with advanced safety technologies like collision avoidance systems, multiple airbags, and reinforced structures that make them just as safe as larger vehicles in many scenarios. Additionally, larger vehicles have a higher risk of rollovers in certain crashes. Always check crash test ratings and safety features when considering a car, regardless of its size. 2. Car batteries recharge quickly on short drives. Many drivers believe that their car battery recharges fully after a few short trips. While the alternator does recharge the battery, it's not instantaneous. In fact, frequent short trips can drain the battery faster than it recharges, especially if you're using features like heated seats, lights, and infotainment systems. To keep your battery healthy, take your car on longer drives regularly, allowing the alternator to fully charge the battery. If you notice signs of a weak battery, such as slow starts or dim lights, consider testing or replacing it before you're stranded. 1. You can save fuel by drafting behind trucks. This myth gained popularity thanks to its depiction in media and discussions among hypermilers, but it's both impractical and dangerous. While driving close behind a large truck can reduce wind resistance and improve fuel efficiency, the risks far outweigh the benefits. Following a truck too closely reduces your reaction time and increases the likelihood of a collision. It's not worth the marginal fuel savings, and it's unsafe for everyone on the road. Instead, focus on maintaining a steady speed and proper tire inflation for better fuel economy. These 10 automotive myths have been passed around for years, but now you know the truth. Understanding the facts can save you time, money, and even improve your driving experience. Which of these myths did you believe before watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car tips and automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.